Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of made in China. If we go to settings, here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we go to like this to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about made in China. Here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like